Howdy crew, got the second update for y'all. Let's get to it. All throughout the morning, just been emailing left and right. That's one thing I do want to mention for y'all that are getting into the welding rig building process. There's going to be a lot of emails, a lot of phone calls, a lot of things in the mail you got to keep track of. And especially the emails, it's easy for things to get lost. Phone calls, they get mixed up. Voicemails to be looked at and not seen again, stuff like that. Same with mail, it gets mixed around. So it's something that y'all have to keep track of. And sometimes you have to remember this one has to be responded to within a week. This one has to be within a month. This one doesn't have to be responded to. This one has to be responded to in 5 minutes. So things are like that, and they come back and forth, and you got to keep track of them. And it's not always the easiest, but you got to do what you got to do. And I want to put that out there for all y'all that are starting into the welding rig building process. All different contexts you have to have for this company doing this part, or this person doing this for you. All the different stuff you have to do. It's a lot going on, and that's been the entire morning, just emailing, responding to emails, working on stuff online for the welding rig, filling out forms, other stuff that has to go through, make sure things are in compliance, all that good stuff. And just gonna keep on continuing. I have phone calls to make. I have to call Chase. I have to call their customer service line for a couple reasons. So I'm gonna be checking in with them. Also have an appointment with the attorneys this evening, so I'll be doing that. And I also have Ford to call. So there's going to be a lot going on. I'll obviously be keeping y'all updated step by step how things are going. And some may think that these videos aren't important, but I publish these because there's a lot going on. And I didn't know there was as much stuff going into this, as much as I researched for a long time. There's just so much that goes on. And I haven't seen anyone that puts out the daily activities of trying to start a welding rig, all the legal stuff, the little things that happen that you don't expect to happen, and a whole bunch of other reasons that you can't even count on fingers. Things that you have to do throughout the day, make sure this is right, this didn't go wrong, double checking this, double checking that, and then making sure everyone else is on top of things because you have to be on top of things, and making sure other people that you're hiring to do stuff aren't slacking, double checking on them, making sure stuff that looks like it's right is right, because if it's wrong, there could be big issues. So that's why I'm doing today just updates throughout the day, let y'all know what's going on, because I think it's really important that anyone that's starting the welding rig knows that there's gonna be a lot going on. It's not just you do a couple things and you sit around the entire day. There's a lot going on, and it's just hard to put it all in one vlog. It's a lot easier just to do step by step so y'all can see throughout the day what's going on. And if there's minor things going on, I'm not gonna put that in a vlog because it's just little bits here, little bits there, little miscellaneous stuff. And when they're compiled into bigger things, I'll put those into a vlog. But I want to put that out there that this morning has just been emails, online stuff, very busy. And I'll be keeping y'all updated on the phone calls, how all that's going, the appointments, and just keeping y'all posted on what's going on. So I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all a little bit later.